Hello and welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting topics in tech: how to convert text into video with a great software called as fliki.ai. You can use the link in the description of the video to get an additional bonus on your sign up. You need to sign with your Google, LinkedIn, or Facebook account. After you are signed up with your account, now you need to create a new file where you need to give the name of your project and choose the option of video or audio by clicking on the radio button. Give a name to your project, like I give it a name of YouTube, to show you how it works. After this, you need to have a script for which you need to make a video, and I am going to chat GPT and ask for a script on artificial intelligence. And boom, here is the complete script. After that, paste the script on fliki.ai and see what it does to your script. It will create small sections of your script into scenes and add an option of adding video or pictures from your library or its own library. Like I am searching for artificial intelligence and see what I got. You can do the same and create your hectic videos with it. You can also select the option of auto pick and let this app decide what is the best for this piece of script.
Channel, where we dive into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're talking.
So here is how you created this video with the help of fliki.ai. You can make some changes if required and see what fits best for you. Here you have multiple options like your subtitles position, colors, your aspect ratio, and much more. You can also create a video using a blog or a tweet. You can export your video with this export button. And once it is exported, you will get an email that your video is ready to download. Usually it do not take too long. Once your video is downloaded, you can use it for your meetings or YouTube channel or wherever you need it.
Hello and welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of technology and innovation.
I really hope you like this video of how to use fliki.ai to create quick YouTube video with minimum effort. You can use the link in the description and in the comment section to sign up and get additional discount. You can subscribe to the channel for more content. Also leave a comment and a like our video. You can share this video to your friends, and for more updates, stay tuned to this channel. I wish you best of luck. Peace out.